My name is Nate Savage. I'm a recent graduate from the College of Public Health. Currently, I'm the Emergency Preparedness Planner here at Johnson County Public Health. I graduated in spring of 2023 following 5 years at the University of Iowa, with the last 2 years devoted to my Master's of Public Health program. I initially got my foot in the door with JCPH while being contracted as a contact tracer during the COVID-19 pandemic. Through this 2-year experience, I got to work with our disease prevention specialists on a day-to-day basis. I really enjoyed my internship at Johnson County Public Health. When a permanent position opened up, I was ecstatic to stay with them full-time. To students looking into their internship now, I would just say to be excited. For most students, this will be their closest thing to a full-time experience as you transition from student to the workforce. So develop connections within your host organization and just have fun with it.